Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hopefully, you are doing absolutely amazing. I'm back, Krishush, with another fantastic video in Java course. So, in this tutorial, we are going to learn about do while loop. In previous video, we have learned about while loop, but in this one, we are learn about do while loop. Something is different in do while loop. So as you can see, its body will execute until the given condition is true. Its body will execute until the given condition is true. That is why the condition of do while loop will return over here on after the code. So that is how do while loop works. So as you can see on the syntax part, first of all, you need to write the keyword which is do. After that you need to write code so that your code will execute, and after that it will check the condition. So in any case your code will definitely run one time. So let's go to the coding area and let's see with the examples. So as always, first of all, incrementation. So let's suppose give integer is equals, let's take a value of integer. Oh, sorry. Integer x is equals to 2. Let's suppose after that we are going to write the keyword which is do. And after that we are going to write our code. So let's print system dot out dot println x as always. Hopefully you have got this feature amazingly. So let's go ahead and after that incrementation so that it will increment the value. And after that we are going to write the while and condition. So what condition we want is x is less than, let's suppose 10. And now let's run program again. Sorry, it's first time over. Let's run the program and see what will be the output. Okay, sorry, somewhere is. Okay, I think I have put something wrong. No, what is the wrong? So after do we have created this do. Now let's run it again because there is some mistake in curly braces. Again, so yeah, as you can see the output is 9, so it's from 2 to 9. What if I will not put here the incrementation? So yeah, it will run infinite time. But if I will give here x is until x is less than 2, so it will run one time. Yeah, as you can see it will run one time, but as compared to while loop, so while loop is totally different and do while loop is somewhere different because it will give you output 1 L, and if there is while loop so it will not give you the single output also. So that is how do while loop works. So fully guys, you have got the meaning and how it works. If you have any doubt you can comment on the below, and hope so you have enjoyed this video. If you really have enjoyed it, so please like it, share it with your friends, and not if you have not subscribed yet, so please subscribe it. It's free of cost. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye.